Let's start with this. You, caught up in your own world, not even bothering a second thought. Never did it cross your mind. You have responsibility. I am sure it will not spoil your fun, should you decide to fulfill it. Then, in an unfortunate event, reality decided to play a game. Dare take me away from here, from this place I call home. As I slowly fade, with all your innocence, would you miss me? I would. So are your quirks, antics, your human intricacies. As I slowly fade, I wish you every happiness, genuine and real and true.